Hello friends, my name is Shivam Singh and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will all know about the GLA University, including the infrastructure, academics, fresher life, faculty, unbreakable placement records, hostel life and all other activities. GLA University is ranked 1 in UP amongst best private universities 2018 and this is the best university for placement in India by CEGR. So let us have a detailed information about GLA University.
GLA University.
So let's start from infrastructure. This is the main gate of GLA University and now we are going towards the administrative block. This is the administrative block. So let's go inside and let us have a look. This is a reception of administrative block. Here are the offices of Registrar Sir, Dean Sir and of many others. That is the exit gate of administrative block. So let's go outside. Let us have a quick look of infrastructure and after that we will discuss about the placements of GLA University, its ranking, about academics and hostel life. So please watch the video till end. There is a huge greenery in the campus and also it just looks amazing. Here is a well maintained canteen, a very big auditorium hall and a very attractive conference room. And if we talk about the playgrounds, there is a specific ground for every specific sport, just like the cricket ground, soccer field and volleyball court. There are also two big basketball courts and now we are viewing the campus from the top and it just looks a very big greenish campus. Now moving on the academics, there are many academic blocks for various courses and also for various departments. For example, just like academic block 2 deals with BTech, electronics and electrical department, or just as academic block 10 is for the polytechnic courses. There are full AC classrooms and mode of teaching is very high tech. All the faculties are highly educated and most of them are from IITs. In the end of the video, I will introduce some college students with you by whom you will also know that the faculty is highly qualified and excellent. There are various labs and research innovation centers in each department. And in research centers of each department, more than 100 plus great researches and experiments are done, which keeps GLA University different from others. Now if we talk about the libraries, there are many libraries in each department including one central library and a self-study room. There are also many computer labs in the campus and all the labs are well maintained and there are also more than 100 plus systems in each of the lab. Now moving on the ranking of GLA University, it stands ranked number 1 in UP amongst the best private management universities by Dainik Jagran and also ranked 1 in UP and ranked number 3 in India consecutively for 2 years among all private universities. GLA University is well known for its placement records for all courses as their placement graph is increasing year by year. They have made 2100 plus placement offers in 260 plus companies in the year 2018, in which the highest package offered was 22 LPA and the average placement package was 5 LPA. Some big companies which are regularly visiting the campus and hiring the students are Amazon, Tata, Capgemini, Concentrix, Infosys, Wipro, Tory Harris, Blue Star, Indiabulls, and also there are many more multinational companies which are visiting here since last 8 years. If we talk about the placement record of year 2017, then in the year 2017 there were more than 2000 plus placements that were offered to the students. Here I am showing you the graph of placement records of since last 5 years, where you can easily see that the placement that are offered to the students in each year. For more information about the placement, please visit the website of GLA University. Beyond academics, there are many cultural activities, annual sports meet, annual tech fests, university annual fests, and many more activities that are held annually. Also, there are various clubs for extracurricular activities in the campus. These are photography, music, dance, LAN gaming, robotics, dramatic, and many more. So in the student's view, this is absolutely perfect. Now let's move on the hostel life. Hostels of GLA University are well maintained. Various choices are also present between 1-seater, 2-seater, and 3-seater, and also between AC and non-AC rooms. All these types of hostel rooms are available at very friendly budget. And in the view of girls, hostels are very safe. To ensure proper safety and security on the campus, a team of well-trained guards and supervisor remains available round the clock around the premises. The university is under 24/7 surveillance with the help of high-tech CCTV cameras. The university observes fire prevention norms with modern firefighting equipment and vehicles. Every hostel has its own cooperative mess which provides tasty food to the students 3 times a day. The food is prepared in hygienic ambience. The mess functions on a no profit, no loss basis, and in the mess only vegetarian food is served. There is also some facilities for the students including cafeteria and canteen, departmental stores, safety and securities, banking and ATMs, medical facility, and other basic amenities. Here are some students' opinion about the GLA University.
Hello friends, my name is Anurag Tiwari and I hail from Assam. Currently I am pursuing BTech in Electrical Engineering from GLA University, Mathura. I was hesitant while taking admission in this university, but after studying 4 years in this university, I can say that it was one of the best decisions I ever taken.
Hi friends, I'm Kavya Agrawal from GLA University and I'm currently pursuing a Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. I'm very happy to join GLA University after my 12th, as this is a very student-centric university where teachers are available 24/7 to help you and develop your skills in various technical fields. With the help of my teachers and my training placement department mentors, I am placed in 2 multinational companies, and they are Capgemini and Pfizer. I'm very happy to join GLA University. I would recommend you also to join this wonderful place.
After visiting the college and having the full detailed campus tour, I have seen all the details related to placement, ranking, and academics. And now finally, I suggest to take admission only in GLA University rather than other private colleges. So if you are going to take admission in any private college, then I will only suggest you to take admission in GLA University, only in GLA University. So if you want to see your career bright, then join GLA University. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and keep sharing the video with your friends and relatives.